Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out 15 amazing kitchen gadgets that can make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From smart tools to must-have appliances, these picks are perfect for upgrading your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper makes food prep fast and super easy. Simply press the top handle to quickly chop onions, vegetables, nuts, and more in seconds. It comes with a built-in container that collects the chopped food neatly, keeping your kitchen clean and mess-free. A perfect time-saving tool for everyday cooking. Link in the description. Number 2. Moss & Stone Personal Bullet Blender, Long Version. The Moss & Stone Personal Bullet Blender is a compact yet powerful appliance designed for quick and convenient blending. It features a strong motor and sharp stainless steel blades that can easily blend fruits, vegetables, ice, and protein powders into smooth drinks in seconds. Its lightweight, space-saving design fits perfectly on any kitchen counter, and the portable blending cup lets you blend and drink from the same container, making it perfect for busy mornings and quick, healthy drinks anytime. Number 3. Cuomaop Deep Fryer Pot. The cuomaop deep fryer pot makes frying safer and more convenient at home. It features a built-in oil drain rack to remove excess oil and a temperature-control design for better cooking results. Made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for frying fries, chicken, snacks, and more with less mess. Number 4. T-fal Nonstick Fry Pan. This durable nonstick fry pan heats evenly and lets food slide out easily, making everyday cooking quick and effortless. It also features a comfortable handle and long-lasting construction for reliable performance. Number 5. StepAura Kitchen Floor Mats, 2-piece set. The StepAura kitchen floor mats provide soft, cushioned support to reduce fatigue while standing for long periods. They feature a non-slip backing for safety and a waterproof, easy-to-clean surface. Perfect for kitchens, laundry rooms, or any workspace where comfort matters. Link in the description. Number 6. MASTERTOP Cutting Board Set. The MASTERTOP cutting board set includes multiple, durable boards designed for safe and organized food prep. Made from high-quality, knife-friendly material, they help protect your blades while preventing cross-contamination. The non-slip edges keep the board stable during use, making chopping, slicing, and meal prep easier and safer. Number 7. Gevi Hot Chocolate Maker. The Gevi Hot Chocolate Maker lets you prepare rich, creamy hot chocolate, milk, and other warm drinks quickly and easily. It features simple one-touch operation with automatic heating and stirring for smooth, lump-free results. The non-stick interior makes cleaning easy, while its compact design fits perfectly on any kitchen counter, ideal for cozy drinks anytime. Number 8. Airpro Rotary Cheese Grater. The Airpro Rotary Cheese Grater makes shredding cheese, vegetables, and nuts fast and effortless. It features ultra-sharp stainless steel blades and a strong suction base that keeps it stable during use. The easy hand crank design allows smooth, safe grating without touching the blades, making food prep quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. Number 9. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven cooks pizza evenly with its rotating tray and dual heating elements. It doesn't require preheating, helping save time and energy. Perfect for pizza, frozen snacks, and quick meals with crispy, delicious results. Number 10. YHY Pasta Bowls. The YHY Pasta Bowls are perfect for serving pasta, salads, soups, and more. They feature a wide, deep design that helps prevent spills and makes mixing easier. Made from durable, high-quality ceramic, they are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Their elegant, modern look also adds a stylish touch to any dining table. Link in the description. Number 11. WHALL Touch Screen Toaster. The WHALL Touch Screen Toaster features a modern digital display that makes toasting simple and precise. It offers multiple browning levels and preset functions for different types of bread. With its sleek design and even heating, it delivers perfectly toasted results every time. Number 12. Qcen Juicer Machine. The Qcen juicer machine quickly extracts fresh juice from fruits and vegetables with its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades. It features a wide feed chute to reduce prep time and a large pulp container for continuous juicing. Perfect for making healthy, fresh juice at home every day. Link in the description. Number 13, Moss and Stone Round Non-Stick Electric Skillet. The Moss and Stone electric skillet makes cooking quick and convenient with its spacious non-stick surface and adjustable temperature control. It heats evenly for consistent results and is perfect for frying, sautéing, simmering, or preparing family meals. The durable non-stick coating prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup fast and hassle-free. Number 14, NuWave Pro Plus Oven. The NuWave Pro Plus oven is a powerful countertop cooker that uses advanced infrared and convection technology to cook food faster and more evenly. It can bake, roast, grill, and air fry, making it a versatile all-in-one kitchen appliance. With adjustable temperature control and a spacious cooking capacity, it's perfect for preparing a wide variety of meals with less oil and easy cleanup. Link in the description. Number 15 chefhandy baby food maker. Make mealtime easy. This awesome appliance lets you whip up healthy, homemade baby food in just minutes. Steam, blend, and serve. It's that simple. Perfect for busy parents. Check it out on Amazon. Your baby deserves the best. If you like our content, hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Asterisk.